Welcome to the hub of excitement known as the Stanley Cup Final.
This whole arena is a madhouse, Don, and playing some spectacular hockey out there will be the Detroit Red Wings and the Boston Bruins. Sweeney grabs the puck. Samsonov gets checked.
That hit was A, stupendous, B, tremendous, or C, horrendous.
Shanahan. Yager has the puck. He gets laid out. Detroit now has the upper hand.
Let's see if they can force their opponent's hand and grab a goal on the power play.
Blocked. Yager with the puck.
And again misconduct. The penalty will be served by number 48, Chris.
He scores on the power play.
Ah, I get it. Don't get mad, get even.
And early in the first, the scoreboard is now favoring these guys.
Hey, I thought the scoreboard was supposed to be impartial.
That'd be us, Don.
Oh.
Chelios. Newendijk. Hard shot. McLaren gets in the way. Brewer knocks him off the puck.
Nails him like a sledgehammer on skates.
Joseph denies him. Solani shows us a flash of brilliance
and leaves us wanting more.
Detroit makes a line change. Kelleher has served his penalty, and that puts his team back at even strength. Chelios jumps on the loose puck. Offside, Detroit. Grabbed by Detroit. Yager. Shanahan now with it. Kovalenko takes possession. He gets laid out. Lemieux. Shanahan corrals the puck. Yager now has it. McInnes gets it. Zaminer. The Bruins dump it in. Lemieux grabbed it. Shanahan. Yager has a breakaway. Barron gets rocked.
There's a hit which leaves no doubts, only dents.
McInnes. Zaminer gets hold of the puck. He gets out-muscled.
Our matey, that'll be a big hit.
Boston has a player down and right now looks very concerned.
He's a teammate, Jim, and no one wants to see a teammate go down. There he goes down the tunnel. He might be out for the night.
We'll just have to wait and see. Kovalenko. McLaren controls the puck. Brewer in control now. Tanguay shoots! He scores! Top shelf!
Up and at him, Mr. Goalie.
And they've taken control of this game.
If the second period is even better than the first, then I can't wait to see what happens in the third.
Absolutely. Defoe makes the stick save.
That big wooden thing he has sure comes in handy once in a while, eh?
Ward. Hossa grabbed the puck. Detroit gets a hold of it. Shanahan. Detroit has it. Lemieux shoots it. Defoe turned the shot away.
He wields the blocker like he used to be the paddle in that old Pong video game.
Icing called against Boston. Knuble takes control of the puck. Schaefer fires it. Defoe made the save.
His job is to throw himself in front of a speeding puck. Think about that.
Defoe freezes the puck. Samsonov picks it up. He gets laid out.
That hit left one guy confident and one guy confidented.
The first is now over. The Red Wings have been heavy hitters all the way.
If I had a nickel for every bone-shaking, earth-rumbling hit they've handed out, I could buy me a lollipop.
Let's see if their catch-up strategy kicks in.
What catch-up strategy?
Listen carefully, Don. Catch-up strategy.
You and condiments, Jim.
Fedotenko gets pushed off the puck.
And he's thinking, hey, I didn't know we were exchanging gifts.
Zaminer with a breakaway. Shoots the puck. Saved by Joseph.
The bigger the save, the harder they fall.
Kultanen. Saved by Joseph.
They keep sending them in, and he keeps sending them out.
Nieuwendyk. In all alone. With a wrist shot. Great save by Defoe.
I think it's safe to say he passed the addition.
Straka scoops up the loose puck. He hits Samsonov.
Any harder and he would have knocked my coffee over.
McLaren jumps on the loose puck. Shoots! Scores! It trickled in!
They're just doing their part to wow the fans, Jim.
And me. In the opening minutes of the second, we've seen their lead narrow.
It's narrow, but it hasn't closed. They still have a one-goal lead to build on.
Lemieux. Yager shoots the puck.
Sadly, the whole missing the net thing rendered that shot pretty much useless.
Straka stops the shot. McLaren gets hit.
That hit just knocked over the Leaning Tower of Pisa.
Shoots it. Scores!
This is a goalie who commands respect, but this time, the Air Force won. Let's have a moment of silence for this great two-goal lead.
Done with all this.
Please, respect my moment.
Number 68.
Solani gets muscled off the puck.
No doubt about it, Jim. He's one hard-hitting Homo sapien.
Wilm fires. He scores. It trickled in.
The poor goalie never had a chance.
He blinked and it was by him. We've been treated to a crazy second period so far.
It's been wild. I'm glad I wore my Tarzan loincloth today. You see, it's got leopard spots.
Those are ketchup stains. Straka knocks the puck loose. Samsonov scooped it up. Kovalenko. Short pass. Straka. Backhand shot.
No need to hit the net every time, Jim.
Fedotenko. Timonen. Shoots. Door slammed shut by Defoe. Zaminer with the puck. And play is whistled down for the offside. Boston takes control. Kovalenko. Detroit gobbles it up. Chelios puts an end to this power play as his penalty is over. Shanahan stoned by Defoe. Barron takes control of the puck. He mows over Zaminer.
Stopped him like an autumn grape.
Lemieux. Chelios with the puck. Nieuwendyk. Ward. Gerard moved it. Hossa. Detroit scoops it up. Nieuwendyk. Detroit takes possession. Defoe closes the door.
He's the savior of save.
Brewer shoots. Ward got the puck. Brewer got it.
In the second period.
It's one-on-one. Solani gets hold of the puck. It's the end of the second period. The Red Wings are staying out of trouble and focusing on the win.
It is awfully hard to score from the penalty box.
It's time to get on with the third period, so welcome back.
I can hardly wait to see how this one ends up. It's been too close to call so far.
Lively entertainment. Lemieux. Defoe makes the save. Shanahan shoots the puck. Hossa cranked him.
In Spanish, I believe those are referred to as El Cruncho Grande hits.
McLaren blistering shot. Shanahan. Shanahan. Defoe turns him away.
His teammates like to call him El Bloco Grande.
Hossa gets rubbed off the puck.
Just remember, kids, maybe one day your squish will come true.
Yager. Quick shot from the right. Blocked. Kovalenko. Straka shoots it hard. He hits the post. Kovalenko had his man more fooled than Don when we told him the sky was falling.
It is falling.
Lemieux scoops up the loose puck. Yager corrals it. Yager! Defoe turned the shot aside. Straka. Smolinski takes possession of the puck. Brewer grabbed it. Hard shot from the right. The net comes loose and play is stopped. Saminer. Kovalenko grabbed the puck. Tanguay has it now. Brewer. Chelios now has the puck. Wilm runs over Smolinski.
Was that a hit, or did he just trip and fall into him?
Smolinski. Tanguay shoots it! Westland takes control of the puck. Yager, hard shot, Defoe stones him!
It's like trying to shoot a spitball through an electric fan.
Saminer gets bumped off the puck.
The message he sent was one massive missive.
Lemieux. Defoe shut the door!
This guy makes it look easy, but it's not. Trust me.
Defoe hangs on for the whistle. Samsonov jumps on the loose puck. Straka has it. He gets laid out.
Hope he's got a good sense of humor.
Samsonov gets pushed off the puck. Detroit gets a hold of it. Straka walks. Timonen. Joseph denies him. Shatan. Nylander now with the puck. Schaefer grabbed it. Shatan. Defoe freezes the puck. Tanguay won the faceoff. Chelios shoots the puck. Smolinski jumps on it. These two want to fight.
At least that's something they both agree on. Really took him down that time.
I don't know where he took him, Don, but he left him horizontal.
Boston penalty to number 3. It's a
Yager with the puck.
Major for fighting.
Breakaway.
Penalty to number 2.
Lemieux fires it. Empty netter.
Whoever put Sweet and Low together never saw that shot.
Detroit has this game signed, sealed, and delivered.
Let's finish this up so they can get on with the celebrating.
Boston is going to go with the extra attacker.
They'll need to go for it, and I need to go to the concession before they close. See you, Jim.
Straka with the puck. He gets laid out.
If you look really closely, you might see little birds tweeting around his head.
Cesar takes possession of the puck. Wilm. Chelios gets in the way. Smolinski plays a little peekaboo with the puck. Westland. Smolinski gets hold of the puck. Weak shot. He scores the empty netter. Detroit has it. Yager. Fires! Defoe! Great save! Husa!
Number 40, Alex Taylor.
He gets laid out.
That from the artist currently known as Hit.
And now for the 3-star selection. Tonight's round star for Detroit, number 6.